to big and green, chomping softly, calm and keen. B for bear, fluffy and brown, walking slowly up and down. C for cat, says meow meow, playing gently here and now. D for dog, wagging tail, running happy on the trail. E for elephant, strong and tall, swinging trunk, loved by all. F for fox, clever and quick, running fast and very slick. G for giraffe, neck so high, eating leaves up in the sky. H for horse, gallops away, running free all day. I for iguana, green and slow, crawling where the plants grow. J for jaguar, spotted and sleek, moving softly, strong yet meek. K for kangaroo, jumps so high, hopping, hopping to the sky. L for lion, king so proud, roaring softly, not too loud. M for monkey, swings on trees, laughing in the gentle breeze. N for newt, so tiny and small, crawling slowly near the wall. O for owl, awake at night, flying quiet, soft and light. P for panda, black and white, eating bamboo with delight. Q for quail, little bird, making soft and gentle word. R for rabbit, hops around, jumping lightly on the ground. S for snake, slides on the land, moving smooth like flowing sand. T for tiger, strong and bright, walking proud with stripes of light. U for urial, on mountain high, climbing rocks near the sky. V for vulture, soaring high, gliding slowly in the sky. W for wolf, howls at night, under moon so big and bright. X for x-ray, fish in sea, swimming where we cannot see. Y for yak, with fur so long, walking calm and strong. Z for zebra, black and white, running fast with stripes so bright.